I have a fall when I was like 5 years old.
Okay.
And I felt like straight, like seated, but it was a hard fall. So I don't know if that also has to be with my back.
Contributing to.
Yeah.
Okay. So main areas, we got the low back, that one.
Yeah.
Neck, I know you're saying right in through here, getting with headaches.
Yeah, and also like right here in the cervical.
Yep.
And a little lower.
Alright, so the like lower cervical, upper thoracic, and then
exactly.
going across.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What have you done to try to like relieve this?
The only thing, I mean, I've been in another chiropractics in Mexico, but it didn't help. It didn't help at all.
Nothing
at all. Like some relief at the beginning, but probably 2 hours later it was the same thing.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
So no.
But they never used the white strap. So I hope that helps.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go ahead and get started.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have you first lay face down on the table for me. Okay. So I always have to start checking the leg length, which isn't too bad, but the left leg does pull a little bit shorter than the right.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
Oh, you do? You feel that?
And actually my hip, I also feel like it's like a little higher from,
like one of those? Okay. Yeah, I can tell a lot of tightness through here. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta get those unlocked for you. Okay. So I'm gonna start right up top here.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna work on that cervical thoracic junction, and I know this is where you're actually have a lot of your issues at.
Never done that before.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna work on the upper thoracic, make our way down. Good. Okay, let's work on middle thoracic. There we go. And then drop down to that lower thoracic spine here. Okay.
Such a relief.
Good. And it is literally just the start. Okay. Okay. There we go. There it was. Yep, you can relax here.
Oh.
Alright, so I want to get some drops in on those SI joints, and then we're going to work our way from lumbar spine going up into the thoracic spine.
Okay.
There we go. Now we got that movement in there. Okay. Left leg still going a little bit shorter. There we go, perfect. Okay, let me get you to flip onto your back. From here, we're gonna do the leg pulls. You'll feel some release in the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip.
Okay.
Just relax your leg. There we go. And now we're going to use a wide strap. With this, we're going to decompress the spine.
Oh, fuck. Sorry.
Catch your breath.
I don't know if I want to laugh or cry. Oh my god.
Just rest.
Oh my god. Wow.
What did you feel?
I don't even know how to explain it. Such a relief.
Think about that, all that tension and the stress, that's just...
Yeah, I've been dealing with this for years. God. Oh, God.
This is what your body has been needing. Because you're stressed.
I'm good. I just felt it like all over my spine, and it was a relief. It feels great.
Good. I mean, I can only imagine, like, you've been living with this.
Yeah.
You know,
Since I can remember, I don't know, since I was a kid.
Jeez.
Yeah.
And it's like finally all at once at once.
Yeah. Completely. Yes. I feel so good. Yeah.
Didn't think you'd be going to the chiropractor. Get a cry section in while you're here.
No, it wasn't even like 5% of this. The other chiropractics. Like, wow.
Wow.
It feels so good.
Yeah, this is how, like, going to a chiropractor, how you should be feeling after.
Totally. Yes.
Yeah, come on up. I got you.
Okay.
How do you feel?
Great. Really. Oh, God. Like I'm floating. For real. I feel great.
Good. Yeah, let me have you stand up.
You feel taller. I swear. Oh, gosh. This is great.
See, notice the difference. The back quick, one adjustment.
Totally. I feel totally different. And not because of the camera, I swear. Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's great.